I remember the first time I got impatient in the garden. I had just planted my seeds, watered the soil, and walked away feeling proud. The next morning, I was already back outside, staring at the dirt like something magical was supposed to happen overnight. Day 3, nothing. Day 5, still nothing. I started wondering if I did something wrong. Maybe I planted too deep. Maybe the soil was bad. Maybe gardening just wasn't for me. And then, almost like a reward for not giving up, tiny green shoots broke through the soil. Fast, strong, alive. That was the moment everything changed for me. Because here's the truth most people don't tell you. Not all vegetables make you wait forever. Some grow so fast, it almost feels like cheating. And today, I'm going to show you 5 vegetables that can grow in as little as 2 weeks. Perfect if you're impatient, a beginner, or just want quick wins in your garden. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because on this channel, we don't just grow plants, we grow results. All right, let's get into it. Plant number 5, radishes. Radishes are the ultimate beginner's secret weapon. If you've ever felt like gardening takes too long, radishes are about to completely change your mindset. These tiny seeds don't waste time. In fact, under the right conditions, you can go from planting to harvest in as little as 10 to 14 days. Yes, you heard that right. 2 weeks. That's faster than most people expect anything to grow. Radishes thrive in cool weather, making them perfect for early planting. The seeds are small, but incredibly powerful. Once they hit moist soil, they germinate quickly, often within just 3 to 5 days. And once they start, they don't slow down. Plant your radish seeds about half an inch deep and space them roughly an inch apart. They don't need much room, which makes them perfect for small gardens, containers, or even buckets. Just make sure your soil is loose and well drained, because compact soil can cause the roots to grow unevenly. Varieties like Cherry Belle and French Breakfast are especially fast growers, producing crisp, peppery roots that are perfect for salads or snacking. But here's where timing becomes critical. If you leave radishes in the ground too long, they don't get better, they get worse. They become woody, overly spicy, and sometimes even hollow inside. That's why fast harvesting is just as important as fast planting. Radishes teach you something powerful about gardening. Speed matters, but timing matters even more. Plant them now, check them often, and harvest early. Do that, and you'll have one of the fastest and most satisfying wins in your garden. Plant number 4, arugula. If you've never grown arugula before, you're missing out on one of the easiest and fastest leafy greens you can put in your garden. Arugula doesn't just grow fast, it explodes out of the soil. Within just a few days of planting, you'll start to see tiny green leaves pushing through. And in about 10 to 14 days, you can already begin harvesting baby leaves. That's what makes arugula so powerful. You don't have to wait for a full plant. You can harvest early, often, and continuously. Plant the seeds directly into the soil, lightly covering them with a thin layer of dirt. Keep the soil moist, and make sure they get partial to full sunlight. Arugula isn't picky, it just wants a chance to grow. One of the best strategies with arugula is something called cut and come again. Instead of pulling the whole plant, you simply trim the outer leaves and let the center continue growing. This means one planting can give you multiple harvests. The flavor? Bold, slightly peppery, and perfect for salads, sandwiches, or even pizza toppings. But just like lettuce, arugula has a weakness: heat. Once temperatures rise, it bolts quickly, sending up flowers and turning the leaves bitter. That's why planting early is key. Catch it in that cool window, and you'll get tender, flavorful greens. Miss it, and you'll be dealing with sharp, unpleasant leaves. Arugula is fast, forgiving, and incredibly rewarding. If you want quick results that actually taste amazing, this is one plant you don't skip. Plant number 3, spinach. Spinach is one of those vegetables that feels like it belongs in every garden. And once you grow it yourself, you'll understand why. It's fast, nutritious, and surprisingly easy to manage. Under the right conditions, Spinach can begin producing harvestable leaves in as little as 2 weeks. Not full maturity, but enough to start enjoying fresh, tender greens straight from your garden. Plant spinach seeds directly into cool, moist soil. They prefer lower temperatures, so early planting gives you the best results. Space them a few inches apart and keep the soil consistently damp, not soaked, just evenly moist. Germination usually happens within 5 to 7 days. And once those leaves appear, they grow quickly. The secret to maximizing spinach is harvesting early. Don't wait for giant leaves. Baby spinach is softer, sweeter, and more versatile. Just like arugula, you can use the cut-and-come-again method to extend your harvest. Varieties like Bloomsdale and baby leaf spinach are excellent choices, offering both speed and flavor. But here's something many beginners get wrong. They wait too long. Spinach doesn't like heat. Once temperatures climb, it bolts, and when it does, the leaves become bitter and tough. That's why speed is your advantage. Plant early, harvest often, and enjoy it while conditions are perfect. Spinach rewards those who act quickly and punishes those who wait. Plant number 2, green onions, scallions. Green onions are one of the most underrated fast-growing vegetables you can add to your garden. They don't demand much. They don't take up much space. And they grow faster than most people realize. From seed, you can begin harvesting young green shoots in about 2 weeks. And if you're using onion sets or regrowing from kitchen scraps, it can be even faster. Yes, you can literally regrow green onions from the ones you buy at the store. Just place the white root ends in water, give them sunlight, and watch them regrow within days. But if you're planting in soil, the process is just as simple. Sow seeds shallowly, keep the soil moist, and give them sunlight. Within a week, you'll see thin green shoots appearing. Within 2 weeks, they're ready for light harvesting. The beauty of green onions is flexibility. You don't have to wait for a bulb. You can harvest them young, use them fresh, and keep them growing continuously. They're perfect for soups, rice dishes, sauces, and garnishing, adding flavor to almost anything. And unlike many fast-growing crops, green onions are a bit more forgiving with heat. They don't bolt as aggressively as leafy greens, which makes them a reliable option even as the season changes. If you want something fast, useful, and almost effortless, green onions are a must. Plant number 1, lettuce, baby greens. Lettuce takes the number 1 spot, not because it's the fastest, but because it gives you the most consistent and rewarding results in the shortest time. Within 10 to 14 days, you can begin harvesting baby lettuce leaves. That means fresh salads, sandwiches, and wraps straight from your garden in just 2 weeks. That's powerful. Plant lettuce seeds shallowly, press them gently into the soil, and keep the area consistently moist. They need light to germinate, so don't bury them too deep. Within a few days, tiny leaves will start to appear. And from that moment on, growth happens quickly. The key to success with lettuce is succession planting. Don't plant everything at once. Instead, plant small batches every week. This ensures a continuous supply instead of one big harvest. Varieties like loose leaf, butterhead, and romaine are excellent choices for fast-growing baby greens. And just like the others on this list, lettuce performs best in cool conditions. Heat is the enemy. Once temperatures rise, lettuce bolts, and when it does, the leaves turn bitter. So the strategy is simple: plant early, harvest often, repeat. Lettuce isn't just fast, it's dependable. And that's why it earns the number 1 spot. Remember that feeling, standing over your garden, waiting, wondering if anything will grow? That doesn't have to be your story anymore. With these 5 fast-growing vegetables, you're not waiting months for results. You're seeing progress in days and harvesting in weeks. This is how you build confidence in gardening, not by waiting, but by winning early. So here's your challenge. Pick at least 2 of these vegetables, plant them this week, and come back and tell me what happens. Drop a comment below. I want to hear what you're growing. And if you're serious about turning your garden into a success story, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Because the difference between a struggling garden and a thriving one is knowing exactly what to do and when to do it. I'll see you in the next video.